Alright. Is it good? Sweet. One fish. Once you pass this grassy part, we're gonna turn down and use that road again. Okay? Alright, so now start turning. Yes, there you go. First time driving in 15 years, 16 years? She said it's been 2 or 3 years. I think it's been more. So start turning now into that road. Put your leg on. Okay. Alright. Sweet. Alright, nice. Look at you. We're driving, guys. We're driving. Hey guys, I know I haven't done an introduction, so we are on our way to Port Harcourt now. We're leaving the village. My fiance is from Imo State, so we just left Imo State now. We are going to Port Harcourt. He grew up in Port Harcourt, but we made a quick stop. I don't know if you guys can see them. Okay, no, I'm showing you the wrong direction, but they are buying gari from the roadside, so just here chilling and waiting for them. My mother-in-law and father-in-law got down to get the gari, so yeah, we'll soon be back on the road, fam. So, all right. Is it good? Yeah. Stronger. I want to buy one. Ask this. What's the last one we got? I like it. It's not sweet. Not bad. And then the other one is good. It's good, right? You can hate. I swear. Bate 150, yeah, mon corps. One fish. I don't think so. They say, it's when you buy deep. Guys, so we are in Port Harcourt now. Why are you laughing? Because we've been in Port Harcourt for a minute now. Yes, we've been in Port Harcourt, but you know, we had to eat, do some stuff. When I mean do some stuff, I mean like, you know, arrange our bags and all. So now we're going to a place called MTN. So just a junction, just call it MTN. Okay, want to repair. Because Pamela broke my mom's phone. Why are you lying? He broke his mom's phone. You know, things happen. So you're just spending, I don't know, less than a day or a day in Port Harcourt, and then we go back to Lagos tomorrow. This road is terrible, that's why I'm... Wow, stop it down. But Nigeria, hey! Woo, making money. Oh boy. Okay guys. Stop it on that road. See you. No, this would be a good place for me to... It's not happening.
village.
We look forward to welcoming you aboard a Dana Air flight very soon. Until then, it's goodbye and thank you.
So guys, we just got to Lagos. I'm talking really low because my husband is sleeping and I don't want to wake him up. He's very tired. Like, I've not seen him sleep this quick before. So I'm just going to end this here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
This sounds